guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a tour around my beauty room. I just thought that I would give you guys a tour of it because I've been working so hard to get this room organized and cleaned up, and like I started doing it like 2 weeks ago, I think, like started really working on it, and it has been a lot of freaking hard work, so I decided to show it off. So first I'm gonna start with showing you guys. These are like little things that I use to keep my hair out of my face when I'm doing my makeup. This I got at the dollar store. This is a hat that I made. Check this out. This is a tie for my cat that I made. How funny is that? Cute, right? It's furry right here. I hot glued fur onto the bill, and then I also stitched and hot glued these little kitty faces on it. This is a mirror that my sister gave me that I actually need to hang up over there because I don't even know if I will be able to hang it up over there. But I want to try to get this on the desk instead of on this dresser. And around my room you'll see I hung up all of my hats. This is like, I put like some mail up here. This is all of my like camera and recording stuff. This is some other mail, my microphone. This is the thing that my mom got me. It's like a little Lazy Susan. This is like some hair stuff that I don't really have room for in my bathroom. Just because it's like hair dye and it's like big, it takes up a lot of space. I don't really have anywhere I want to put that in my bathroom. From when I had bleach blonde hair, it was a look. This is stuff for a video coming up. So this is like where I'm going to be putting, I don't have a lot in there right now, but anything new I get that I want to film a video on, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it in here. And look how cute this is. My stepmom got this for me, I think at TJ Maxx. And I love it. I've had it for like 6 years. This is all of my nail polish remover, some Q-tips just thrown back in there. Look at all of my Essie. It's so beautiful. This is like cuticle oil, nail files, nail clippers, all that good stuff, fake nails, the stuff to do acrylics. Here's all of my eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadows. I don't own a lot of eyeshadow because I just don't like it. I just went through all my makeup too and I threw a bunch away. The next drawer is all my blushes and highlighters. And then here's all of my bronzers and contour palettes. Here, this is my favorite thing actually in this entire room. I'm obsessed with this. I love it so much because it is full of all of my lipsticks and I only had to get rid of a few of them and I could still fit them in here, so it was like justified me holding on to all of this crazy amount of lipstick and lip gloss. These are lip glosses, little lipsticks that are the same brand. And then there's a couple other ones. This is kind of the drawer that I use the least. I don't really like any of those. It kind of, as I go up, it gets better. So, oh, except for, there's a couple things down here that I do like. So these are all of my Revlon Ultra HD matte colors, matte lip colors. And they are okay. I don't love them. I don't love the colors, and I don't love how they sit on the lips. This is, oh, I love this. This is my newest lipstick, and it's Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the shade Chihuahua, I think. Yeah, in the shade Chihuahua. It's actually the lipstick that I'm wearing today. It's like really comfortable. It dries down a lot, and it just feels nice, honestly. You don't have to worry about it. It does transfer a little bit. No, it transfers a lot, but it doesn't come off at all. This drawer is all of my liquid NYX, stuff like that. This is a whipped one from NYX that I actually really enjoy. It's really creamy. I don't know if it's not my favorite thing in the world. I'm not really into stuff like that. And then I also have my L'Oreal Infallible. And then there's some more stuff back there. I think that's a Paris Hilton lip gloss. This is where you will see all of my Tarte lipsticks, my Tartiste lipsticks, all of my MAC, there's only 2. And then back there you'll see, these are a couple of my lip glosses that I like. And then here's like some Maybelline and stuff, just lipsticks that I got from the drugstore. I just love these liquid lips. Like, I know that they dry down really bad and they're really drying, but you put them on, you don't even have to think about them ever again. There's no touch-ups, like no fixing. They're not getting all over your face. They do not transfer. You have to, like, at the end of the day, when you take these off, you have to try, you know, like you really have to try to get these off. I'm obsessed with them. This is all of my lip liners, my Tarte lip scrub. So this is where I put all of my stuff for eyelashes and stuff like that. And then my perfumes. My mom got this for me and it's so cute. Like, I love that it says my name. That's so adorable. It says cozy and chic. Over here, this is the box that my wedding ring came in. This is just a little box I've had. My dad's ex-girlfriend, when I was really little, got this for me, and I've always kept it just because it's very much so like a me kind of thing. That's why she got it for me. And I just have some jewelry in there. This is where I keep all of my foundation and concealers and powders and stuff. I have a lot of them. And, oh, and like my sort of like BB creams or whatever. They're all in here. Dark spot corrector, all that good stuff. This is just kind of like this cute little thing I got. It says I'm so fancy. And then I keep my scrunchies in here because they look adorable in here. This is a remote that I can go like this with. Ooh. Okay, and then this little box right here is where I just keep little stuff, you know, just like some jewelry, my headphones. Here's my little lamp. It's so cute and pretty. I love her so much. There's my Burberry Brit sign. I love Burberry, especially since they name things after me. Here's a little thing that my sister got me, and it's just for, I don't know, I don't really know what it's for, but I use it for my jewelry, like my go-to favorite jewelry I put in there. So I put all of my big, like, brushes over here, and then all of my, like, little eyeshadow brushes and stuff over here. This is just a little thing to put foundation on, so you can, you know, pour some on there. And then this is this cool little thing that has like drawers that pop out. It's got little compartments for different stuff, and I stuck my brushes in here, some rice paper. These back here are all of my pencil eyeliners. These are my liquid eyeliners. All of my primers and setting sprays. Back here are my mascaras. I really need a new mascara because I tried this e.l.f. one out today. I accidentally bought this e.l.f. one the other day, and it's lash extending mascara. I didn't know they meant that it had little fibers in it. So they freaking get all up under my eyes. It's very annoying. Here's where I put my under eye powder, my other powders, my beauty blender, my makeup sponges. Here's where I put like brow pencils. And this little thing is where I put my, like, this is brow pomade and eyebrow powders. This is just a little shelf where, okay, I put like random things in here, a bunch of glow-in-the-dark stars, freaking lint roller, some hand sanitizer. This is a jewelry box that's got little drawers in the front. This is where I put all of my makeup bags and everything. Okay guys, so I think that that's everything in this room.
I know that this isn't like the most glamorous beauty room on YouTube, obviously. There's like people with like crazy all IKEA, like all like amazing ceramic white drawers, like beautiful, beautiful beauty rooms, and this is kind of just like a regular beauty room. So I wanted to put this on YouTube because I felt like when I watch those videos, it makes me like sad because I'm like, I can't do that. I don't have the money to do that or whatever, or the space or anything, you know? So I felt like this would be good for people to see, like, if you want to organize all your makeup and stuff, not in your bathroom, but you want to like have a designated area for it in your bedroom, in a spare bedroom, or even in a walk-in closet, you could do it, you know? Like, I just wanted to show you don't have to have a bunch of money and stuff to have like things organized like in a nice way. I just wanted to share with you guys some ideas on ways that you could organize your stuff at home that wouldn't cost you, you know, thousands of dollars. So take from this video what you will. I hope that you found something in this video helpful, hopefully. And if anything, at least now you know, don't buy this e.l.f. mascara because it's terrible. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And check out some of my other videos over here in this area somewhere. There's probably one right here and one right here. And then if you click this little circle thing, then you can subscribe to my channel. It'll take you right there. My little circle face right here. You can subscribe to my channel. It'll take you right there. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.